I wanted to see if AI could actually build me a real business from scratch. No budget, no team, just tools. Here's exactly what happened. First, I asked ChatGPT to generate 5 online business ideas based on my skills. It suggested I start a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools. Perfect. Then I used ChatGPT to script my first video in under 5 minutes. No writer needed. Next, I jumped into 11 Labs to turn that script into a voiceover. Took 2 minutes. Sounded like a real human, not some robot voice. Then I used Pictory.ai to turn the voiceover into a full video with visuals and subtitles. No editing experience, no camera. I just clicked, adjusted a few scenes, and exported. Finally, I uploaded it to YouTube with a thumbnail I made in Canva. From idea to publish, the entire process took less than 2 hours. Here's the crazy part. If I repeat this 2 to 3 times a week, and each video brings views, affiliate clicks, or ad revenue, that's a full-time content business powered by AI. This stuff isn't future tech, it's working right now. Subscribe if you want me to keep testing and showing exactly how to build income with AI. Let's do this together.